All right, this is going to be Running Down a Dream by Tom Petty. This is a pretty easy one, but it's real fun. It's got a great riff to start with. We're going to have... So what we do is we wait for the first half a beat to go. So it's like 2, 3, 4, 1, and then we come in on the and of the 1. So it's and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and... We get a little couple open strings down here. So it's 07, 06, 05, 03, 0... Okay, you kind of wait for the and of the 4 to hit that one, so it's 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and. So you hit that 4 and there, and then you can pop back in. So let's try to do that. We're going to do this riff 4 times, so 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for the verse, we're going to do this E power chord. We got the 7 on the A string, 9 and 9. We're also going to do the open strings around that. 4 bars, you hold that out while he starts singing the verse. We're going to jump down here 2 frets, 5, 7, 7. We're not going to do the big string on this one. We're going to do the 2 open strings still though on the bottom. Okay, so the verse is 3 and 4 and... Starts a new one. 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the verse, he holds that for 4 bars, right? When he goes to the D chord, though, it's only 2 bars. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back for 2 bars, and then it'll start again, right? So the whole verse: 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're into the chorus. We're gonna have a D chord. Okay, so we have D to G. I'm doing the G where I mute the A string and I have that 3 on the 2nd string. So I'm not doing the little E string either. So we got D, G, we got E major. And that's on the and of the 4, so it's like 1, 2, and 4, and. Okay, so the D hits on the 1, 2, and. The and of the 2 is where you hit the G. 1, 2, and. And after we do that and, we hold that into the first half of beat. So we go, and then it's going to go and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, so it's. And then we start a new one. We're going E to G, same G to A this time. So we got an A right there. So we got. And it has that and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So once more from the chorus. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we did that same thing twice, and then we're going to end it with. Okay, so we have a D to G to E at the end there. And after that holds a second, we got our main riff again. New verse, we do the same stuff. We got 4 bars. And back up. And start again. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, chorus. Okay, so last one we got the D to G to E. And then the riff will come in. Now on the second time through this riff, we're going to add some chords. We're going to have a C chord, C major 7 actually. It's a C power chord, but it's got that B string in it with the E down there. So on the second riff here, it's going to go. So the one guy keeps doing the riff as that C chord comes in. And the C chord is going to go to D and back up to E. So it's going to go. Da dee da dee da dee da. 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 Okay, then we're back into a new verse, so we're going to skip all that. It's the same stuff with holding out 4 bars and all that going down here. Then we have another chorus, 2, 3, and. Then you got a riff again. And then we're going to do the chorus again, so it's kind of like a double chorus with a little riff in between. 2, 3, and. Do the riff 3 times. Okay, then on that third time, we're going to come back in with the C, D, and E chords, and that's where the solo starts. So let's try that. We're going to go 2, 3, and. 1, 2, 3, and. So we have an extra E in there. Then we'll go back. And another E. Keep doing that same thing. And he's doing a solo up here in his E minor pentatonic, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 15s down here. So he's got a lot of bending kind of. Okay, so that's mostly where he's going on with the solo. So how about you guys take a little solo? I'll play these chords for you, and you work out your E minor pentatonic licks. Okay, so let's try that. 2, 3, and. Running Down a Dream, Tom Petty, Mike Campbell ripping up the lead. Got a tab on this, hope you dig it. We'll talk to y'all soon.